Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
So friends, this is a numerical which is present in front of you, and let us see what are the given questions that are being asked through this. So the first thing is 200 cubic meter. In this case, earlier they have mentioned in dm cube or cm cube, but now they are mentioning it in cubic meter. Okay, so 200 cubic meter of hydrogen gas are being allowed to react with 250 cubic meter of chlorine gas. So we have to calculate the volume of unreacted gas and the volume of gaseous product that has been formed during this reaction. And all the measurements are being taken in STP or are being made in STP, that is standard temperature and pressure. So it means there won't be a change of volume during, if the temperature changes, then only the volume will change. So therefore this reaction is under STP. So what would be the final volume of the gaseous mixture that has been formed? So these are the three kind of questions that they are been asking to us. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to write a chemical equation of it. Then only we could be able to estimate what would be the answer of that. So the first thing that they have mentioned is we have to react hydrogen gas with chlorine gas. So let me do a reaction and let me tell you that how can we derive this kind of reaction by using this question itself. So the thing that they have been asking to us is hydrogen gas is being reacted with chlorine gas, and the both are being present in gaseous state. So in this case, if the both gases react with each other, then the formation of HCl is being produced. So therefore this is 2 moles of HCl gas is being produced. So this was a very much easy one. So let me tell you that what would be the ratio of the volumes if I observe this kind of reaction. So I could observe that there is only 1 volume of hydrogen is being involved. It reacts with 1 volume of chlorine gas, and again during this combination what I get is I get 2 volumes of HCl gas. But in this case the 1 volume of H2 is been mentioned, but they have given us the 1 volume as 200 cubic meter. So I could write it as 1 volume of H2 gas is nothing but around 200 cubic meter of H2 gas, while that of chlorine gas again that they have mentioned is 1 volume of Cl2 gas that they have provided to us is 250 cubic meter of Cl2 gas. By observing this equation, I could clearly understand that if 1 volume of H2 gas is been requiring that is 1 volume of Cl2, but in this case I could see that 1 volume of gas is nothing but 200 cubic meter of H2. So therefore 1 volume of 1 volume of H2 gas will react with only 200 cubic meter of Cl2. So in this case what I could write it as, therefore 200 cm cube of H2 will require 200, sorry, in this case I have mentioned as cm cube, I could write it as cubic meter. So it will require 200 cubic meter of Cl2 gas. So but the Cl2 that they have provided to us is in excess, that is it is present in 250 cm cube. So therefore the unreacted Cl2 is being present in the overall reaction. So let us estimate that what will be the unreacted Cl2. It is very much easy to estimate. That is the unreacted Cl2 gas. Earlier it was mentioned that 250 cm cube of Cl2 gas is being used. So this was the initial volume that they have provided to us, and among that only 200 cm cube has been reacted. So by this I could get there is 50 cubic meter of Cl2 gas which is being unreacted. So this is the first thing that we have got. And now talking about the next one. So this is the first data that we have got, that the amount of unreacted gas, that is the Cl2 gas, is nothing but 50 cubic meter. Now talking about the next one, that they have said, or they have asked us, that what would be the final volume of the gaseous mixture, but we have to estimate that what would be the volume of the product also. Let me tell you again. In this case, as we can see, that one volume of H2 is being reacted with one volume of Cl2, so as to get two volumes of HCl. But we know that Cl2 is in excess, but the one which has a fixed value, that is in this case is H2, which is present in an appropriate value. So if one volume, that is, if I am talking about if 200 cubic meter of H2 is being reacted with Cl2, so as to get two volumes, or basically I could say 2 times more the volume of its original one, that is 200 cubic meter. So by this I could clearly estimate that the amount or the volume of HCl produced during the reaction is nothing but 400 cubic meter of HCl gas. So this is the reaction, or this is the answer that we have got. And ultimately that they have asked a question, that what would be the final volume of the gaseous mixture. So let me tell you, this is the product that we have got. But we should also consider that the Cl2 molecule is also not being reacted. So basically in this reaction we get HCl gas as a product, but the Cl2 is also remaining. So therefore the overall, I could say, the final volume that has been formed for a gaseous mixture in this case is nothing but 400 cubic meter of HCl gas, while 50 cubic meter of Cl2 gas, which makes around 450 cubic meter of the gaseous mixture that we have got. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have got an understanding that how to estimate this kind of numericals. So please share this video with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe eGITA channel. Thank you so much.